top low cap altcoins to buy now. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you a couple of my favorite small cap altcoins to trade. These coins I've been trading for over 2 years and they always seem to have a pump. So they're always on my watch list. If you have watched my previous top 5 coins, you will have seen some of them, especially one, Harmony one. I think it was not this one, the month before's top 5 coins. I talked about buying it and shared with you my exact setups. In the YouTube channels, I show exactly which coins I'm buying and I'm selling. In our Rockstar Trading group, I post exactly when I'm buying, my targets, my entries, all of that good stuff. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. And guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. On the YouTube video, I did share one that I was buying and where I was buying as well. So guys, let's have a look at one first. So these are old Binance IEO coins, and for some reason these 4 coins always have a pump. They always seem to find a way to pump. I will touch on some news as well, but they're mainly coins that fund it. Technically, they always seem to pump. They have good communities behind them, good teams behind it, and I've seen these 4 coins over the past 2 or 3 years. I've traded quite a few pumps in them. So let's get into the video straight away. The first coin I'm going to talk about is one, and one is Harmony. This is the main coin. Let me just find out where it is. This is the main coin that I've always been trading, and my main breakout trade was here when it was breaking out February above here. This is where I got in. This has gone up 500%. And as you can see, it's already gone up a lot. Do I think you can buy now? I think from trading point of view, yes, you can. As long as Harmony is holding the 4-hour moving average, I think this can rally even more. So as long as it's holding above 300 sats against BTC, I think this will rally more. And the way I trade, again, this is another setup that I shared in one of our live streams. So when this was breaking out, I posted exactly the setup. This is a buy zone. And even since that buy zone, this was shared in a live stream in the Rockstar Trading group, this has pumped over 126%. And once I see Harmony breaking out against BTC, I look to get in on the USD chart, and the USD chart has been great. As you can see, end of February, the USD chart was breaking out into new all-time highs. That was a reason for the trade, and this has gone up absolutely parabolic, about 500%. I've actually sold Harmony. I still think it can go higher, but the main trade that I took, I sold it when it was near the all-time highs. If you are looking to get in now, look for a pullback. Let me go on to my USD chart. As long as it's holding above there, if it dips, it's already had a little bit of a dip. If it dips into the 12 cent level, I'm going to look to buy some more. Or if it breaks out, it will be a trend continuation trade. The next coin I'm going to touch on is CELR. Matic is one of them as well. Matic is a news related trade. I'll share Matic in this video, but let me have a look at CELR. So CELR is one coin that I personally didn't trade myself. I shared the trade setup when CELR was breaking out. There's a couple of people in the group that got in, and they had 2x's and 3x's in CELR, and I picked one, and luckily for me one worked out really well, because for me one, I shared with you that one was breaking out against BTC and it was breaking out against USD. That is the main reason why I jumped into one more than CELR. But why I'm picking CELR now is, guys, CELR could be breaking out against BTC as well. So as you can see, one broke out and then it had another huge rally, about 200%. CELR is trying to break out now, so that's why I'm going to focus on CELR. So I'm looking for CELR to break out above 150 sats and then have a huge move. If it dips into maybe 100 sats, I'll look to buy just the dip, but ideally I'm going to look to buy a breakout above 160. And like I said, these coins always seem to pump. If you followed my channel, I've been making YouTube videos for over 3 years, and then these coins always seem to pump. So CELR is on my list now. One has pumped more, or quite a lot already. If CELR BTC breaks out, I'm going to look to buy CELR, and I'm going to be targeting the 16 to 18 cent next if it does break out against BTC. So I'm definitely going to be looking to watch this one as well. Before I look at Matic, these are the 4 Binance IEO coins that I love trading, and the 4th one is Fetch. Again, like I said, news wise I don't know too much about them, but this is in a zone where I think this could be breaking out as well. So if this breaks out, one has already pumped. If a CELR or Fetch breaks out above these key zones that I've shared, I'm going to look to buy them So Fetch is definitely on my list. Again, in the write down these levels that I'm sharing. If you're just using this YouTube channel and you have a strategy, please make sure you have a strategy. I keep sharing this, whether you want to follow our own. The opportunities we've got now is, we've not seen this market since 2017, and we're never sure if we're going to get a market like this. So make sure you take this opportunity and educate yourself, and make sure you have a strategy, whether you follow ours or have your own. If you don't have a strategy, you're buying and selling with emotions, you're not going to make money. There's a special offer, you can check it out, but make sure you have a strategy. So draw these levels down. If they break out, use your strategy to buy some, have your stop loss below here, and try to trade them. So Fetch, if BTC breaks out, I'm going to look to trade this as well. So these are the 3 of the 4 Binance IEO coins that I always talk about. And finally is Matic. So Matic, the reason why Matic's got news as well. So one had some news. There's lots of people saying that it's a low cap coin. There's lots of news about fundamentally, or if you want to call it pumpamentals, people want to talk about bullishness. And so if you just type in Harmony, lots of it comes into the price predictions. But Matic's big news was a rebranding to Polygon, and I think this was in last month's video where I talked about Polygon and Matic. And once this came out, this was around, you can see when I posted exactly why I was longing Matic, because Matic was changing into Polygon. And if you guys have been in this market in 2017, there was loads of coins that were changing their branding, and they had huge rallies. One of them was Rayblox to Nano. That was more than 10x for me. And whenever there's a rebrand, there's huge pumps, and Matic was the same pump for me. So I traded Matic from there to around here, and I actually sold Matic here because the reason why I sold it, Matic's development team, I don't really trust them. They dumped on the subscribers. There's a Matic pump and dump video. Please guys, learn about these cycles. They repeat themselves. We've seen a crazy life-changing bull run. This might be quiet for the next few months, and then we're going to see another market cycle, a few years. There's always a cycle. Please educate yourself, people. Always this pump and dumps always happens. So that's why I sold my Matic here, and I posted in the group that I sold it. So I'm not in Matic at the moment, but I'm looking to buy it now because it's still looking bullish. It's not just pumped and dump. People are still buying it. So as long as Matic stays above this zone, I'm going to look to buy it. And the key level, I'm looking for a breakout out of this zone for Matic, and then I'm going to look to buy Matic. For me, if trading wise, I think Matic heads towards the dollar level, and people call me crazy for that, but I do think that it will head towards that level. And again, once Matic broke out of here, this was, you can see the alert was said, this was, I believe, 3 months ago. I posted this coin in the top 5 coins video. You can go check them out. They're all on YouTube. They're not after the fact, they're before the fact. So that's another coin I want to talk about. So these are some low cap coins that are, again, they're not super low cap coins. I don't want to share it on YouTube. I think it's unfair because lots of people are getting them low cap coins and then post it on YouTube to let people buy. Again, I don't really want to do that. I'll keep that away from myself and some members. But these are still low cap coins compared to some of the major coins, and these coins have been pumping. Like I said, Harmony's pumped. You've seen in the top 5 videos that I make. I'll make another one soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. So those are some of the coins I wanted to talk about today. Let me know if there's any other coins that you want me to talk about. Comment below your favorite coins that you want me to review, and I'm happy to look at them. And what are your thoughts about these 4 Binance OG IEO coins that have performed well in the past? And I think they always seem to have a pump whenever there's a bull market. So make sure you keep these on your list, and comment below your favorite coin out of these 4, or if there's any other coin, comment below and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button. I will be doing a free live stream soon. I'll do a free live stream on YouTube once a month, so I'll be doing one soon. So turn on the notification button. If you are interested in our Rockstar Trading Group, there's a special offer with Bitcoin pulling back. There's some great opportunities to buy some cheaper coins. People want to buy coins when it's already pumped. There's been a few nice dips, so you can get in some good trades. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.